Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. I am here to show you guys a small DIY. Something that I decided to put together. I have 4 of the vases that I found at Goodwill, and they were like 69 cents a piece. But I want to show you guys this crack in this one. I didn't buy it like this, but somehow I cracked it. I don't know how, but I cracked it some way. So I have 4 of these, and I have 2 of the small candle holder here. Okay, then I have my hot glue gun and some more, glue sticks. Okay, let me go ahead and put it together, show you guys an idea of what I'm going to do. Oh, also I have some candle here that I gotten from Dollar Tree. Okay, so my idea is to hot glue them together like this. But I don't know if I'm going to paint it just yet. I'm just going to leave it clear. I don't know if I'm going to paint it. And I am going to use hot glue, my hot glue gun, just in case I want to, take it apart to use it for something else. Okay, let's get started with the hot glue gun. Okay, I'm going to glue the open part. And be careful with the hot glue gun because it is hot. Then I am going to glue this part on. Okay, this is one down. Let me do the other one. And I am going to have this one turn, with the crack. And I'm going to have it facing the back. Okay. Okay, y'all, it is put together. Now I don't know if I'm going to paint it just yet. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it clear. Then it is smelling so good. It's lavender, sleep lavender. I'm going to place these candles down up in here. Then I thought about at the bottom putting some little tea lights here, you know, at the bottom so that it can, you know, glow. But I don't have the tea lights, so I'll be right back. Let me go get a lighter to light the candle. Okay, you guys, like I said earlier, that sooner or later, if I decided to paint it, I will let you know. But right now, I'm just going to leave it clear. I'm not sure. I may one day have to just go ahead and take it apart. I'm doing this just to show you guys a quick DIY. Letting you, you know, just showing you, you know, what you can do. But I may come back and, you know, redo it. I have some more decorative stuff that I have in case I want to, you know, bling the bottom out with bling wrap. But I'm not sure, but this is one of my ideas that I want to, you know, show you guys. All right, this is Vlogmas Day 17. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.